What did we find?
A buck worth shooting.
We're gonna go see if we can get him. We gotta go hike up this mountain right there. When we get over the top, we're gonna be really quiet. Don't make any noise.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yep. Yep.
That one got him.
Yeah, now he's down.
Yeah, he's down. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna go hunting. That's one of the things about living on the ranch. We've kind of got access to a bunch of hunting ground that's pretty close.
We got a new person.
We got a new guy here.
Newbie right here.
What's up? What's your name, dude?
Cade.
Cade. Welcome, Cade. What's your name?
Oh, I think you know, yeah.
Yeah, that's Boss. Larson doesn't want to come with us, but then we've got Roman. He's coming somewhere. So usually we can go hunting up in these mountains that are kind of up here. So we'll drive here along the bottom and see if we can find any bucks. And if we see something that's worth getting our hands dirty for, maybe we'll shoot it. So I've got a tag. The season ends in about 3 days. So I guess we'll just go up and kind of see what we can find.
He's a big boy.
He's just a 2-point. All right, follow me.
First buck of the day. Pretty cool. Let's start walking.
Okay, looks like the road is getting too narrow. So we're gonna get the gun and we're gonna start walking up the road. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys gotta be really quiet. We've got a Christensen Arms 300 Win Mag from Browning with a nice scope on it. So we normally just hike kind of up the bottom here. And these deer like to hang out kind of up on the sides. Guys, any bucks? No bucks. No bucks. Nice camo, dude.
Is he like up top?
No, he's right here close. He's right above this tree, but he's actually a pretty decent buck.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, he's going.
Can we shoot him?
He's a pretty good buck. Let's go up and see if we can get a little bit better view of him. You guys see him going up the hill? He went up over here, so he went up over to the right. So let's walk up here and see if we can find him.
Okay.
Look, there's still a deer right there. He let us walk right past him. Do you see him? You see his butt right there? Okay. Let's go walk up here and see if we can find this buck. I don't know if we're gonna get a shot, but now there's a buck up there. He's just a little 2-point. Okay, we did see some smaller bucks, but nothing that we want to shoot. We'll go drive up on the mountain on the other side and see if we can see anything. Does that sound good?
Sure.
Okay, it's not a very bad buck, then why don't we shoot it?
I don't want to shoot a 2-point.
That one right next to him looks like a buck.
Yeah, they're both little bucks. One of them's a 2-point. You see him?
Oh, take him.
He's a 2-point, and then there's a little one right there. I think it's a buck. And there's one up there on that side. Boss, we hold this.
up here. I'm not quite sure where he is. Whoa, whoa, oh. Hey, he's a 2x3.
Also a big yellow crab.
There's one right there going up.
We should get him.
Should we shoot him?
We should.
No. Not yet. We'll probably
He's
see him
showing
later.
off his hopping skills.
Yeah, look at him.
He's decent.
Okay, let's go.
There's secret hideout.
That one's only got one antler. All right, we're gonna go up this hill. You guys ready? So keep your eyes open. There's one right there. Okay, hold on. It's Steve. There's the mine that we went into earlier this year. You want to film?
I got you. So, we got the boys in the back. Sir, those cuties up front. Who knows who they are? Oh, great, I'm gonna fall out. Are awesome.
We're gonna walk over the top here, so we stop. And a lot of times there's really good bucks right over here, okay? There's two does running up right there. No bucks. Well, I've been hunting up here ever since I was a kid. I used to come up here and hunt with my dad. And just in these hills, we've shot a lot of nice bucks. I don't hunt as often as I probably should, but I'm trying to get back into it for my kids. That was one of my favorite memories, coming up here and hunting with my dad. But he died 9 years ago, about this time. Yeah, go ahead and throw it. Sometimes these bucks will just kind of hang off the side here, and we have to throw some rocks down to brush them out. But we're kind of late in the day, so I don't know if we're gonna see anything. Most of the time for hunting, it's best right in the morning. They're more active. What up, guys? It's day 2 of our hunt. We're just sitting here watching all these deer this morning. We're seeing lots of different things, but nothing that we want to go shoot. So there's some deer right up there. There's deer over there. So we'll drive up a little bit and see if we can find anything. It's cold, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Almost see your breath. Okay. A lot of deer right there. Here. Buck right there, you see him? Running up.
There's some deer. There's some deer.
What did we find?
A buck worth shooting.
We're gonna go see if we can get him. We gotta go hike up this mountain right there, and on the other side, he's over there. I didn't get a real good look at him, but he's a nice boxy. I think he's a 3-point, but a mature deer compared to what we've been seeing. So we'll hike over and see if we can get him.
Almost at the top. He's somewhere back there.
Okay, guys. You gotta be really quiet now.
Okay.
When we get over the top, we're gonna be really quiet. Don't make any noise.
Okay.
You guys shot is you want to make sure you're catching your breath so you're not breathing too hard because you won't be able to hold the gun still. Does that make sense? That one got him.
Yeah, now he's down.
Yep, he's down.
He's down for sure.
Yep.
Oh, he's tumbling.
I know. Yep.
My ears are still ringing.
Yep, mine are too. Okay, that was him, guys.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna.
Today. Yeah.
Are you glad you came?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is why we do it. We try to make these memories for a lifetime, right?
Yeah.
You guys will remember this forever. Guess what? Now all the work starts.
Yep.
Okay, let's make sure.
Hey, at least we got him.
Yep, we got him that time.
Tomorrow.
This is the first. This
smart
is the
block.
first fun part. Then now it's to the hard part,
Yep.
and then next is the second fun part, the eating it.
Hey, thanks guys. That was fun.
Yeah.
What do you have to say, boy?
I regret saying I didn't want to come.
What about you?
My feet are cold.
Yeah, it is kind of cold. Look, there's still deer running around everywhere.
How are those deer that scared?
That was fun, guys. So beautiful up here.
Yeah.
We're pretty spoiled to live on a ranch where we can just go out our back door and do this, huh? Yeah, don't fall. This is steep. Guys, guess what? I forgot the gut knife. We might be able to get a four-wheeler up here to come get him. So normally, guys, if we had more people, you leave someone right up there to watch to make sure he doesn't get up and try to run away. But I am pretty sure that I hit him so hard that he's done. We got a good shot in him. You see him? I don't see him. You see him?
He's a big 2-point. So we're still dragging it down.
Is this fair that I have to do all the dragging and you guys just have to sit there and watch?
Yeah.
No.
It's fair.
It's fair, because I shot it, huh?
Yeah.
My tag.
Your gun, your bullets, my shells. Because I've been collecting all this stuff.
This boy's complaining he's cold.
I am.
Maybe I should have had him drag the deer. I'm all sweaty. Thanks for packing the gun, bro.
So we got the deer strapped on the back.
Ready?
Yep.
Bloody hands. What do you think, Cove? Was that a pretty big buck?
Yeah. So we're just going down the hill. We got the deer all loaded up. You can't really see them, there's deer poop. So we're just gonna take them to the shop and yeah.
What did we do?
Let's see it.
Go check it out.
You don't want her to step in all the blood.
Yeah, there's a little bit of blood. Hey, did you see the buck? Oh yeah, you were there.
Which one's yours?
That one.
On the left?
Yep. The big 2-point.
Cool. That is a big 2-point.
It's a huge 2-point.